growing your Shopify business, sending automations after a product is purchased. We've got a new automation that works on after somebody purchases a specific product or collection. In this video, I'm going to show you how you could use it. I've got 4 different examples for you to check out that can help make sure that your customers have a great experience after they purchase something and are more likely to be loyal and come back and spend money with you. Now, I know what you're thinking. New feature, it might be kind of tough. Don't worry, we've got you. Brian put together a great help article. We'll link to it below and it'll walk you step by step through the process of setting these up. In this video though, I want to talk about what you should put inside that content. So after somebody gets a product from you, for you, the journey's kind of over. You've already had made that conversion. Maybe you're thinking move on to the next sale. But for them, that's their new experience with you, how that product shows up, how they use it, if they have a good time with it or a bad time, they want to maybe make a return. To them, the journey has just started. So how could you add a little bit of extra love into every purchase that is made on your site? Well, a great way, obviously, is with automations. Typically, a timeline for somebody making a purchase is that the purchase is made, the order is fulfilled, and then the product's delivered. What if after the order is fulfilled, before it's delivered, you could send them some additional information? Let's say maybe you have a large product that's going to get dropped off and they need to make room for it in their house or something else to get ready for it. Or what if it's going to take a while for that product to be able to get made and then sent to them? You want to still keep up the momentum and excitement of them just purchasing, right? Take a look at this great email from June Shine. They state that they're excited that we just made a purchase. They understand that I'm going to wait to get my purchase. And while I'm waiting, why not check out their cool Spotify playlist? They also list their frequently asked questions. So the question I want you to ask yourself is there anything people need to know after an order is fulfilled, but before the product gets there that you could turn into a message? Up next, let's say the product's been delivered. Let's talk about how to care for or style tips, or maybe even common customer service questions that are urgent that you need to address right after a product is delivered. So I love this message from Animals Matter. It's a great plain text message. It looks like it comes from the CEO. I didn't include it in the screenshot, but she actually does include her contact information so people can reach out to her directly. It really shows kind of a personal side of, hey, you just made a purchase. I want to say thank you. Let me know if you need anything. I think you could also take this message even one step farther. If you know that there's a very common customer service question that gets asked right after people make a purchase, you could go ahead and just address it in a message like this or something with images. I like this message from Thrive. They did a great job of kind of showing step 1, 2, 3, utilizing mascara, because we know that sometimes that can be tricky. But if you have a product that needs to be styled a certain way, or maybe it's a little tricky to use, then this is a great opportunity to show people an insider track on how to use the product, get the most out of it. I'm thinking this is a great chance to maybe show off how-to instructions or YouTube videos specifically on how pro users maybe use your product. Up next, you could connect them to your social platforms. They get a chance to connect with a new community, and you get a chance to get some user-generated content. And as we know, user-generated content is extremely powerful. So here's a great example from Venus. They did a nice job here where they're featuring people from Instagram wearing their products, and then they ask you to do the same and to join them on Instagram under a specific hashtag. So if you already have done a lot of work and you've got a really great community on some kind of social media platform, why not invite people there and then invite them also to become a part of that community and post so that they can join in that? We know that if somebody connects with you across multiple channels, that they're going to be more likely to purchase later on. And I can't think of a better other channel than one of your social channels where you've got lots of other fans of your products already talking about them. If you have a consumable product, a product like deodorant or shampoo or coffee, anything that people go through, it's a great time for you to be able to put together a reorder reminder. So a reorder reminder can be used at 30 60 days. You can customize this whenever you want. Just think, how long would it take for somebody to go through this product? It could be just a simple message that says, hey, need a refill? Come get some more. It could be something really simple like that. Altogether, this message is a no-brainer for merchants who have consumable products. Now, big takeaways from today. I just showed off 4 different messages. You could obviously just pick and choose which message you want to send, or you could do all 4. The great thing about this new product purchase automation is that you can do it on a specific product, or you can do it on a collection. So if you want to start off with a collection and make a little bit more general and then move on to a specific product, you could. The most important thing is that you choose the low-hanging fruit. So like, what's the message you think you could get done pretty quickly, and go after that and see what the return on investment is. Also, remember, we have a free trial. So it'd be so easy for you to be able to opt into the free trial, try this automation out, see if it works for you, and then make your decision from there. All right, happy automating.